We want to welcome you to our newest listing at 1082 Minaru Drive in Almaden.
This is going to be a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 956 square feet, sitting on a 3,500 square foot lot. And Almaden is very sought after for the schools and the beautiful scenery of the hills around.
Yeah, you have fishing, golfing, hiking all around. 5 minutes from here, you can get fresh eggs from the farm.
Let's go take a look. As soon as we step inside, we are met with the dining room and a charming entertaining space,
along with the fireplace and an entry to the patio. We have done updates here from the beautiful hardware, painted cabinets, countertops, and a brand new electric stove.
And the thing I like about this is it has a nice little breakfast nook area where you still get the light from the windows coming in, and you have your easy access to the garage as well. And Lupita was just saying to me that she thinks the garage has amazing potential to be converted to a 3rd bedroom. So if you don't want to have a 2-2, you can always upgrade that into a 3-2.
Yeah.
Now, if we go down the hall, we have our 1st bathroom and 1st bedroom, but at the end of the house is going to be one of my favorite rooms, the primary. Let's go take a look.
Welcome to the main room. Look at this spacious room with a walk-in closet, a private door that closes, and a vanity in the middle.
You also get your own access to the backyard. So out here we are going to have the backyard with a deck, and it is perfect for a little bit of summer fun.
Salud.
And that's going to wrap up the tour, guys. Thank you for watching. For more information, contact us. Information is going to be below.
Thank you.